Hey guys, we're finally back in the shop today. We're going to show you how to deal with an annoying exhaust rattle. And no, we're not working on a Honda Civic. Today we're working on a Dodge Daytona, but this is common on a lot of vehicles. The heat shield on this catalytic converter is loose and rattles like crazy. Somebody's tried to weld it before, which is almost impossible to weld, and didn't last. So here's an easy solution on how to stop your exhaust rattle, and it doesn't cost a lot. Hose clamp, stainless steel hose clamp. Put your hose clamp around the shield, tighten it up. It won't rust. Rattle's gone. You still got the protection from the heat shield up there. Problem solved. You don't have to buy a $300 converter or whatever else either. So let me get this hose clamp on there, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there it is. Clamp's installed. I cut the tail off the clamp here, and then I folded it back on itself and just tapped it over the hammer so it's not a razor blade hanging underneath. And that'll last for a long time like that. If you don't have a long exhaust clamp, you can actually join a bunch of small ones together and get the same results. Or you can go down to a local auto parts place. They sell the big ones there, probably $5-10. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.